Hello, today I'm in Kia Stinger. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To enable front wipers, simply push the lever upwards. Once to use it in mist mode, then pull it downwards to use it in auto mode, that you can also adjust. If you push it downwards again, you'll use front wipers in low mode and again in fast mode. You can see that which mode is actually on the instrument cluster display. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.